A Tesla owner was robbed at gunpoint in her Model 3, and now she and the police need help identifying the suspect. The incident we're about to watch happened at 3 p.m. on January 30th, 2023 in Rosemead, California. Ding sent us this video of his father-in-law trying his Model 3 and driving it around his house with Ding's wife in the passenger seat. After he stopped in front of their house, a silver pickup pulled up and stopped in front of them, and an armed gunman proceeded to rob them. Ding also has an aftermarket dashcam installed that captured audio, so let's listen in.
Open it.
No. Okay. We don't have wallet.
No wallet.
We don't have wallet.
Give me your wallet.
No, we don't have wallet. This is all we have.
Nobody. Give me your wallet.
We don't have wallet.
Give me your money. Hurry up. Open it right there. Open it right there.
Okay. We have some only like cash.
Hurry up. Give me it all.
Oh, okay.
Everything.
Over here. This is all we have.
Give me the phone. Give me that too.
Okay. This is all we have.哦，怎么有抢在门口抢钱呢？我们有监控。
有监控是吗？
不知道。
报警。刚才应该看了在车牌。
这个能照着。
他要钱包不是？
没有钱包，就是他的零钱。
Only $20 and a charging cable were taken, and the robber hit the window with his gun and left a mark on the glass. They then quickly drove away, leaving them in shock. They couldn't believe they'd been robbed in front of their own house. They called the police and showed them the Teslacam footage. Apparently, the police were getting other similar reports just before this one, so it seems like the suspect was prowling the neighborhood. Ding's father-in-law and wife got the police report and sent the footage to the detectives. Hopefully they'll catch the robber, but they haven't found them yet. If anyone recognizes this man or his pickup, please contact the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department or send us a message and we'll forward the info along.